So today we are going to cover what are the key technical challenges which are faced by our customers, these are global customers, and how our products and smarter solutions are helping them to overcome most of these challenges. So ladies and gentlemen, just to have a quick introduction to Sterlite Tech. Sterlite Tech has this unique ability from silicon to software. We manufacture our own OF and OFC from raw silica to a patented preform manufacturing technology, and we have been manufacturing OF and OFC from the past more than 20 years. We manufacture a lot of different cables as per the application needs and as per the customer requirements. We not only manufacture cables and ship the products to more than 100 countries in the global world, but also we are quite a big with respect to network integration and system integration back in our home country. Our solutions with respect to Wi-Fi subscriber management, billing systems are used by most of the operators in the Middle East, Europe regions. We have a 30 million fiber capacity as of now. So in the next 8 to 6 quarters, we will be expanding that to 50 million fiber capacity, and will be. So coming back to the challenges, these are the major challenges, but not the only ones. So coming to the first one, limited skill set. This is the major one because everybody wants to do FTTH. Maybe the plans will be here and there, but everybody is confirmed that they will be rolling out FTTH. It's a given. The two types of problems and skill sets. You have existing people in your system who are more trained and more accustomed to the OSP way of installation. Now, what is different in FTTH is you have to handle the fiber and cables, which are the in-building and more of a lighter kind. So handling them is a different ball game and a different kind of challenge. At the same time, if you are going to roll out very big numbers, million numbers, you need to add different additional workforce who needs to understand to handle the fiber and cable in a different way. You can't use the copper related skill set in this and all. Plug and play solutions are getting installed in tier 2 and tier 3 cities as we are speaking, and they are installed, and they are helping the customers to build the network at a very fast rate. Third one is very, very attractive for people who have a certain number of infrastructure ready with them, because the total cost of ownership drastically falls down if you are able to make use of your existing infrastructure or else build new infrastructure with a smaller diameter duct so that you can push more cables. But use of existing duct infrastructure makes your business case much more attractive, and that's what attracts the customer to start very quicker on an FTTH scenario. Bend and sensitive fibers, the less we talk is more in this case. Everybody is aware the FTTH when you start entering the building and the homes, you would face a lot of bend scenario. We are seeing a lot of access, and the metro part of the network are also getting built with the G652B, having extra properties of G657A bend loss properties. It's a win-win for everyone, so that your feeder networks are also getting built with more bend optimized related products. Need of high count cables. If you are building a clean, safe kind of an FTTH network, this is also one of the requests, kind of a trend which we are seeing from global customers. If you look at 5 to 6 years back, the feeder and distribution network would be something around 48 and 96. There are multiple approaches. With upcoming monetization opportunities with respect to 5G, small cell, MIMO, a lot of speakers from the morning are trying to cover those aspects as well. And they are very true, because a lot of operators in different parts of regions are doing a lot of pre-trials, which requires 5G as a feeder to their technology. More relevant to developed markets, the gentleman before me talked a lot about 5G. 5G is a truly transformational technology, and people are talking about skipping the next generation NG-PON 1 altogether. Why? Because there is a certain belief in the industry with the kind of AR, VR applications where you have to do a lot of upload. The rise of upload and the importance of upload speed is becoming more and more relevant. That's why, as a strategic decision, most of the US market and some of the Europe market are leapfrogging. They are skipping the entire generation of NG-PON 1 and asking and moving forward that we will bring NG-PON 2 directly into our system. If we have an ODN infrastructure which is pre-built for a GPON, G.984 kind of a technology, which was 20 to 30% lighter, so kind of a completely dry solution in the market so that there is no gel absolutely in the cable. Help you build the network very fast. And what it also helps is, imagine you are working on poles, aerial poles with a 20 to 30% lighter cables. We took a step further. We helped them to engineer the end-to-end solution. Now, a lot of people are not aware that there is a very good, lightweight, wet clamp, completely dry electric solutions available in the market. So what we did was, we qualified all our cable and dry ADSs along with this solution. This helps you to build the network faster in a reliable way. So we are also displaying this solution in our booth. So do have a look. We can explain in detail. And also this is the typical architecture of the same solution. This is a two-stage splitting architecture. The solution has got a lot of flexibility so that you can mix and match. You can have a centralized architecture. This is just a two-stage splitter architecture which the operator is running. And this is getting built in a tier 2 and tier 3 cities, where you can imagine an application network getting built. The clusters are coming up at a very 30 to 40% faster rate than the normal. So that your skill level is less. You are not now using expensive